As technology continues to evolve, society is increasingly adopting cashless payment systems, leading to a significant shift in how transactions are conducted. This transition offers numerous benefits, including convenience and efficiency. However, it also raises important concerns regarding privacy, economic inequality, and security risks. Understanding the multifaceted consequences of moving toward a cashless society is essential for navigating this transformation effectively. One of the most immediate consequences of transitioning to a cashless society is the increased convenience it offers consumers. Digital payments streamline transactions, reducing the time spent on purchasing goods and services. With contactless cards and mobile payment apps, individuals can complete transactions in seconds, enhancing the shopping experience. However, this convenience can lead to impulsive spending, as the physical act of handing over cash serves as a psychological barrier to excessive purchases. Thus, while the ease of cashless transactions is appealing, it can also encourage less mindful financial behaviors. Another significant consequence is the potential exacerbation of economic inequality. While cashless systems can simplify transactions for many, they may also marginalize those without access to digital financial tools. Low-income individuals, the elderly, and those living in rural areas may struggle to adapt to a cashless environment, lacking the necessary technology or financial literacy. This disparity can lead to a two-tiered economy where only those with the means to engage in digital transactions benefit from their advantages, further entrenching existing inequalities. Consequently, the move towards cashlessness must be approached with caution to ensure inclusivity. Security concerns are also paramount in a cashless society, as the reliance on digital transactions increases the risk of cybercrime. With the rise of online banking and payment platforms, personal financial information becomes more vulnerable to hacking and fraud. Consequences of data breaches can be severe, leading to significant financial losses and identity theft for consumers. As a result, while cashless transactions provide convenience, they simultaneously pose heightened risks that must be managed through robust cybersecurity measures. Moreover, the transition to a cashless society raises questions about privacy and surveillance. Digital transactions leave a trail of data that can be tracked and analyzed, leading to concerns about consumer privacy. Governments and corporations may exploit this data for various purposes, including targeted advertising and monitoring spending habits. This erosion of privacy can create a chilling effect on personal freedoms, as individuals may feel uncomfortable knowing that their purchasing behavior is being observed. Therefore, while cashless transactions can improve efficiency, they also necessitate a careful examination of the implications for individual privacy. Additionally, the cultural implications of moving to a cashless society cannot be overlooked. Cash has been a fundamental part of economic transactions for centuries, and its gradual disappearance may alter social interactions and the way people perceive money. Tactile experience of handling cash often brings a sense of tangible value and connection to financial transactions. As society shifts towards a more abstract understanding of money, there is a risk of detaching individuals from the value of their spending, which could lead to a lack of financial responsibility. The move towards a cashless organization presents a range of results that warrant painstaking concern. While the availability of mathematical undertakings can reinforce services happenings, it further risks advancing instinctive giving and exacerbating business-related prejudice. Protection exposures and solitude concerns stand as people enhances more dependent on mathematical fiscal holes, making necessary persuasive safeguards. In addition, the enlightening suggestions concerning this change manage change by means of what things join accompanying services, potentially detaching ruling class from a lure basic advantage. As we guide a long route, often over water this mechanics development, it is important to address these versatile results to promote a fair, secure, and accountable cashless people. In generation place mathematical electronics rule many facets of our lives, the shift toward a cashless humankind appears certain. Accompanying the conception of movable fiats, contactless credit cards, and cryptocurrencies, cash undertakings are more and more flattering an artifact of ancient times. While this change offers proven usefulness and adeptness, it too raises meaningful concerns concerning solitude, approachability, and financial suggestions. The versatile results of mobile to a cashless association, attracting on allure belongings on commercial edition, individual solitude, financial establishments, cybersecurity risks, and services presence. Individual of ultimate important results of a cashless association is allure effect fiscal edition. In many domains, specifically in underdeveloped countries, cash remnants a lively wealth of undertaking for those outside approach to investment aids. Transitioning to a cashless frugality can infuriate existent prejudices, leaving marginalized cultures to a degree the aged, depressed proceeds things and those outside computer network approach at a hurt. Thus, while cashless undertakings can organize retailing for few, they risk separating meaningful sections of the public the one are inadequate to acclimate to or give the necessary science. Another weighty significance of a cashless association is the deterioration of private solitude. Cash undertakings supply obscurity that mathematical fees innately lack. When buyers use credit cards or movable fee apps, their buying dresses and individual dossier are calm and stalked by monetary organizations and electronics guests. This following can bring about mean ballyhoo and potential misuse of individual news, lifting moral concerns about by what method things dossier is appropriated. As cash enhances out of date, the deficit of obscurity take care of mold the habit society undertake retailing, restricting their exemption and solitude. Business-related strength is likewise in danger in a cashless institution. Confidence on mathematical payment holes can bring about important exposures in the commercial foundation. Model extensive mechanics bankruptcy or cyber attack keep disable financial actions, as seen in various important dossier breaches and ransomware attacks. Furthermore, principal banks can find it disputing to implement finances procedure efficiently in a cashless atmosphere, conceivably superior to unforeseen financial results. Accordingly, while mathematical undertakings can improve adeptness, they more present new risks that commit weakened savings. Cybersecurity risks are intensified in a cashless realm, place impressionable fiscal facts as stocked connected to the internet. The move from cash opens dismissal from responsibility to raised occurrence of deception, hack, and correspondence stealing. As more customers select mathematical fee patterns, the inducement for cybercriminals evolves, conceivably chief to better commercial misfortunes and a decline in services assurance in mathematical undertakings. The need for healthy cybersecurity measures enhances superior to assure things in trades, suggesting that a cashless organization grant permission demand original levels of carefulness and finance in mathematical freedom. Finally, the change to a cashless association bears complex and widespread results. While it promises embellished availability and adeptness in economic undertakings, it still risks infuriating issues of monetary addition, solitude deterioration, financial exposure, cybersecurity dangers, and services attitude challenges. Furthermore, the referring to practices or policies that do not negatively affect the environment suggestions of aforementioned a shift must be weighed to comprehend the more extensive effect institution and the sphere. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we hope you found our content informative, engaging, and perhaps even a bit enlightening. Remember, the financial landscape is always evolving, and staying informed is key to making the best decisions for your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the complexities of finance. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making those smart financial moves. See you in the next video.